guys, it's Saturday and this week's theme is favorite book. I don't have particularly one favorite book, but I'm gonna talk about the last 3 books I kind of read, and I'm gonna tell you about them. So the 3 books were from the Millennium Trilogy. It's a series by Stieg Larsson. So the 3 books are The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo, The Girl Who Played with Fire, and The Girl Who Kicked a Hornet's Nest. The books are extremely good. I actually listened to the audio versions of the book. The audio version was in German because obviously I don't speak Swedish, which is a pain because I would die to read the books in Swedish. And the books are really interesting, and they are capturing you, and there are 2 main characters that make you you feel drawn to. The first character is Mikael Blomkvist. He is also a journalist. The second character would be Lisbeth Salander. She's probably the main character, but she is extremely great as a character because she is actually considered kind of mentally sick and sociopathic and schizophrenic or something like that, and in reality she is actually a genius. She is extremely good with computers. She's a hacker, well-known hacker, so amongst the hackers she's known as the queen. According to our DFTBAD, I'm D, and there should be a book that is connected with D. I thought of Fyodor Dostoevsky's Crime and Punishment. I read this book in the 12th or 11th grade. I read it in Latvian, and it was 11th grade, and I read it in Latvian and it was really good. I liked it. As D, I can also mention Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's books, kind of Sherlock Holmes. Also a really great author I think is Stephen King. I listened to Buggyman on my iPad, and at the end I was really scared, like I was just like shocked, and I read his book Pet Sematary, Cujo. So they are really, well, those are the books for the person. If you like some real stuff, those are the books. A little bit surreal and everything, but so awesome, great. JJ, you asked about manga or anime sites. I will put them, of course, in the description bar, and as Kim mentioned, Manga Fox is probably the best source for really manga series, to find your manga series. Also, if you want to watch anime, you don't have time to read it online, you can look up on Anime Freak TV. There is also a possibility to sort it by genre, so you can choose what you like. For example, you're into comedy, music, you just choose, and it kind of sorts out and shows you which anime you could watch. Another anime I would suggest is Detective Conan. It is fun, it is interesting. JJ, I see you on Monday, and have a nice next week. Bye bye.